Evening to you all. First of all, I would like to say very sorry because I was quite busy in my office work and could not upload any video in last 2-3 days. Anyway, today we will learn about kinds of nouns. As I already told in my previous video that noun is a word used as the name of place, person or things. Here things means anything what can you think of, what can you observe through your five senses. And kinds of nouns are like proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. As I always say that there is no need to memorize definition of anything, because if you memorize the definition of anything you will forget it. But once you understand the word, the meaning of word, it will be forever. So don't try to memorize, just try to understand. Okay, by some examples. So Ram is a boy. There are two nouns in this sentence. This is a very simple sentence, Ram and boy. Ram is a name of particular person, but boy can be used for Ram, Syam, Mohan, Sumit, Amit, for anybody. Just like Sita is a girl. Okay, here girl is common. Girl can be used for Sangeeta, Rita, Sunita, for anybody, but Sita is a name of particular girl. So here Ram and Sita are proper nouns, and boy and girl are common nouns. So it is very easy to understand. Just like Himalaya is a mountain, here Himalaya is a proper noun but mountain is a common noun. Ganga is a river, Ganga is a proper noun but river is a common noun. Now come to collective noun. See the examples: team, crowd, meeting, army. We say it collectively. A team can be of 10 persons, 20 persons or more than 100 persons. A crowd can be a group of 100 persons or more than 1000 persons. Just like army, a group of many soldiers. So when said collectively, this is called collective noun. So it is very easy to understand. Now come to abstract noun. Abstract noun is not a concrete thing. You cannot access through your five senses. It can be a state of mind, it can be pleasure, it can be your emotions, it can be actions like childhood, brotherhood, death, birth, judgment, kindness, whiteness, darkness, anxiety, These are abstract noun. The name of arts and science are also abstract noun, like grammar, music, chemistry. These all are abstract nouns. So these are not concrete. You cannot access through your five senses. You cannot know by tasting it, by a smell, by hearing, or by your eyes. You have to understand it by your feeling. You cannot also access through your okay. Nouns are also further classified as countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun and uncountable noun. Very easy, which can be count is countable noun like boy, pen, apple, banana, boy, girl, anything which can be counted, or uncountable noun like milk, sugar, petrol, hair, water, anything which we cannot count. So in next video we will learn a noun as a gender, as a number, or as a case. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.